You might have opened the box and thought, what is this little tool? I will show you. Sometimes it might be hard to measure the distance between the top of the sensor LED and the bottom of the press down key. That might be due to a hard angle to look at it, or sometimes you have a ruler like this and then you have this little notch and that makes it really hard to measure it well. Well, this is why we included this little tool. You place it on top of the sensors, you slide it underneath the key, and then you see that this is the distance. It's exactly 4 millimeters above the top of the sensor LED. Now you can tweak the brackets and see here it has a little bit of play, and that's actually perfect. So this makes it quick and easy to measure 4 millimeter distance over the width of the whole key bed.